Collocations are words that frequently appear together in English. Learners often misuse these natural word combinations. Mastering collocations helps you sound like a native speaker. Do homework is wrong, we say make homework. Do a mistake is incorrect. The right phrase is make a mistake. These patterns confuse many beginners. Use do for actions, obligations, and repetitive tasks like work or chores. Use make for creating or producing something like a decision or a plan. This simple rule covers most cases. Do a decision is wrong. Correct is make a decision. Make business is incorrect. Say do business instead. Notice how the verb choice changes with different nouns. Make the dishes is wrong. We say do the dishes. Do an effort is incorrect. Use make an effort. Practice these to avoid common beginner mistakes. Take a shower is wrong in British English. Say have a shower. Have an exam is incorrect. The right phrase is take an exam. Regional differences matter here. Have a look is wrong. Correct is take a look. Take a meal is incorrect. Say have a meal. These small changes make big differences in sounding natural. Practice these patterns every day. Listen to native speakers carefully. Read books and articles extensively. Regular practice builds natural English fluency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.